Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how you can enable two-factor authentication on Stockx. Two-factor authentication is basically something to secure your account. It helps a lot to basically, instead of using only email and password to log in into your account, you would need an extra step just to verify your identity. Each time of course you log in into your account. So how to turn it on in Stockx? Log into your account, which is very essential, and then click here onto your profile. After you click on the profile, go ahead and go all the way down here and you click on the settings option. And from settings is going to be the first option that will appear, which is basically two-factor authentication. So let's just wait for it to appear. This is exactly what we are looking for, which is this two-step verification or two-factor verification. So now all that is not left to do is to turn it on. So click on this button, and here you will be taken to this page where you will need to actually log in into your accounts. I have changed my account literally in the previous videos, so I'm just going to do something like this, log in, and here we go. So now to secure my account, I would need to add the phone number, which is simply by entering here the phone number right here in this place. And then once I enter it, I will receive a code, which is on one's verification code that will be sent to me each time I try to log in into my account. And after that, after I verify like my account using my phone number, you will be using another step, which is a verification application like Authenticator. Let me just show you Authenticator, which is basically Google Authenticator. It will keep generating some code randomly each minute, and basically each minute this code will be changed, which helps you to keep your account even more secure and not get hacked. And yeah, this is how you can basically enable the two-factor authentication. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.